Question T1.13. The back-to-back stem plot shows the lifetimes of several brand X and brand Y batteries. All right, so first thing I want to point out is that normally when you would look at something like this, right, a typical student might think that a 1 and a 7 means 17, okay? However, when we look at the key, that's not the place value of those digits, okay? So a 4 is actually in the hundreds place, and the 2 means the tens place, okay? So a 4 and a 2 means the battery lasted somewhere between 420 and 429 hours. It's actually a range of hours, not just one specific hour. Right? So this 1 and 7 means a battery lasted between 170 and 179 hours. Okay? Taking a stem of 3 and a leaf of 2 means 320 to 329 hours. Okay, so first thing we need to do is make sure we know how to read this graph. Okay, part A, what is the longest that any battery lasted? So it doesn't matter what brand it came from, we're just looking for the longest lifetime. So we're going to look down here at the bottom. So we have a stem of 5 and a leaf of 5. Okay, so that would be 550 to 559 hours. Part B, give a reason someone might prefer a brand X battery. Okay, well, with brand X battery, you have a small potential for batteries that last really long. The typical batteries last shorter than the typical batteries for brand Y, but you don't have to worry about getting any duds, right? It looks like brand X doesn't produce any batteries that are defective, I guess, or have like low lifetimes. Okay, so I'm just going to write that, no duds. Okay. Statistically, we'd say brand X has a higher minimum value than brand Y's minimum value. Okay, part C, give a reason someone might prefer a brand Y battery. Okay, so if we kind of focus on what's typical for each battery, right, we can see that brand Y would probably have a median somewhere in the 400s, whereas brand X is probably going to have a median somewhere in the 300s. Okay, I guess we could identify the median. Let's just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the median for brand Y is 430 to 439 hours. Let's do brand X. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one more. Right, the median here is 390 to 399 hours. Okay. So brand Y obviously has a higher typical lifetime or higher median lifetime than brand X. Okay. So brand Y has a higher median / typical lifetime